What's good, y'all? What's up? Okay, I apologize for my bustedness right now, but I'm about to get my hair done. I'm turning windshield wipers off. It's raining. I'm about to get my hair done. I am in Cincinnati, Ohio, and I wanted to take you all with me. Try something a little new. It's a new year. I'm about to have a new do. Well, it's probably the same hair that I usually get, but you know, whatever. But I want to take y'all along with me, introduce y'all to my hairstylist in Cincinnati, and yeah, just kind of show you the process of when I get my natural hair done, and then I'm gonna try to get him to take a look at these units of mine to give him a little love, a little professional love that I don't know how to do. So I'm gonna try to take y'all. I've never really successfully done and edited a vlog, so we'll see how this goes. I'm also gonna be taking some pictures today, so I'm gonna try. You heard how my voice just fluctuated. I'm gonna try to take y'all with me and do it, but I be forgetting to record. Vloggers, I tip my hat off to y'all. I am more of a haul type girl, as y'all know, but we're gonna try some new things today. Okay? So I will see y'all when we get in here. Nigel running late, but you ain't heard nothing from me. I'm always late, so I really never am upset when somebody else is late. So
yeah. Okay. Now, is this a wavy closure too? Or?
It's a different wave, and that was my fault. I told him the wrong.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh,
but
she
when
fell
it's
asleep at the time. I just can't give up now.
Yeah, right. She gave up.
She is giving up.
But when it's molded and when this hair is wet, it kind of it does really well together. Yeah. Okay. They unify.
Good.
Yeah.
Now,
come together over me.
All right. Well.
Yes.
Well, let's shampoo your hair, and then.
All right.
For this one, yeah. So every time you wear it, you're just gonna have to do a slight mold. So just like you can use water, a water foam mix, or just water.
Do I need a hot comb?
No, I don't want you to do anything with a hot comb because it's. I just.
You coming for my life? I don't want you to do anything with the hot comb.
Now, however, if you do use one, will it be electric?
Boogie woogie woogie. It could be. I don't.
Well, and I was saying because the electric one, you can control the heat.
Okay, yeah.
Once your hair dries, so say like you mold it, let it dry. Then afterwards, if you want to run the back side of the person comb across it, you can do that.
Okay.
But otherwise, I don't want you to use the person.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at you. With your girls. With your girls.
Who left us together alone? Like seriously, who did?
Unsupervised. But yes. Get into this curl.
Oh, look at her.
Ooh. Look at that little. Oh. Yes, look at that. Good retention on the moisture, huh?
I don't even know what that means, but yes. You have tamed the beast, child.
Listen, for all those who have never seen all this gloriousness that's up under this unit, here we go.
Here it is.
Here it is, y'all.
There it go.
Look at that. Bing, bing. Yeah. There you go.
They hear a note, they're gonna be like, oh, you ain't got rights to that. What?
And that I love how everybody on Facebook, they're like, I don't own the rights to this music.
Rights to this music. I don't. I've never even heard the song.
I don't even know nothing about it.
I am not responsible.
Right. So yeah, that's what this is. Oh, and let me see.
It smells so good.
Okay, and man, ain't nothing worse than going to reach for a product and ain't nothing in the bottle.
Oh,
because that was going to be an issue.
Okay.
When you don't own expensive stuff like cameras, you just get to spray it and do it.
I just wanted to turn this unit inside out real quick so you could see how beautifully Faith constructed this daggone unit, y'all. And look at the lace. Like, wait till the focus. Just wait. Look at that. What not? Oh my gosh. And the hair is so beautiful. And obviously, you know, we're gonna get into hair, but like, do you see that, y'all? If y'all don't hit her up to make y'all unit, and she does ship, and all her information will be below in the description box as usual. I just have like a random wig in my living room looking like The Grudge. Just sitting there waiting on me.
You know, that's a thing.
Oh, your arms all muscular in this video?
We just thank God for good muscle memory.
Mercy.
And lifting up these flat irons and these pressing combs.
Well, you know, the human head is at least 8 pounds. So
got to be.
You know what I'm saying? You flexing and flashing.
On top of, you know, natural hair.
Yes. Oh yeah, that's a lot of work. It's a lot of tugging and pulling the things.
Merciful God. Yes. So that's what it is, and so we're thankful.
That hair is so pretty though.
It is pretty. I'm just looking at it.
I want to color the other one.
The curly one?
Yeah, I got all these blondes at home that I want to do. I just don't know how that's going to turn out, but we'll see, you know.
Listen.
It's all a mystery.
Always do a strand test.
Oh, you're so disciplined. He said do a strand test, literally.
Strand test, that way you don't mess the whole thing up. Or if you try it, you know, do it in the back first.
Okay.
That way, you know.
Yeah.
If you can cover it up.
Yeah.
If, you know,
just cover it up.
If it doesn't turn out the way that you want it to.
Cover it up. Well, as Nigel is continuing to prepare this hair for curling, I wanted to give a little bit of information about the hair. So this is a 6x6 straight lace closure, and I got 3 of the silky straight wefts in 18 inches, 20 inches, and 22 inches. This hair is so soft, so silky, so pretty. Like, oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Literally minimal shedding. I haven't had any issues with shedding with this hair or the wavy hair that I have in the other unit that I created. But yeah, so I just wanted to show y'all how Nigel styled this hair for my photo shoot. Would y'all get into these curls, child? Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. And he just is zhuzhing away too, child. But you see how easily this hair curls, and it actually held the curl really well for the photo shoot. It was also raining that day as well, so didn't help, but it did hold a curl really well. And just look how smooth that is, and how the closure is just popping, and the part is just amazing. I love it. I love it. I love this hair so much. Definitely, if you're in the market for some hair, check out Ornami. You will not be disappointed. So in the midst of all of this, my camera battery decided to give out on me. So I am now back at my parents' house, and I have redone my makeup, and now I'm about to meet Doris for our photo shoot, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me there. Adonis, put it down. I'm gonna take you guys along with me there as well, and yeah, then we'll talk after.
Yes, play with your hair.
No, you go. You're fine.
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you. They changed the lenses and piece today without Donna's crying. Right. Man, I like it for a good ride. I like contrast between like something really pretty.
Right. Yeah.
I love that combination.
I think that is nice as well. I'm trying to think how this could look more natural. Maybe stay like that and kind of look down at your keyboard out of the corner of your eye. If I move it. These are almost all portions, but this works better.
Right, it works. Ain't broke. Don't get.
I am recording.
I forgot to film the outro for this vlog. I'll get better with it, I promise. But I just wanted to show you how my hair turned out. Y'all, look at this hair. Look at these photos, how they turned out. Y'all, this Ornami hair is gorgeous. Also, thank you to Nigel and Faith for helping me get these units together. If you are in Cincinnati and you have some photo needs, please check out Doris. Her information will be below as well. I will see you all in the next video. I love y'all. See you next time.